Okay, everyone, good morning. How are you today? I'm fine, thanks. Okay, today is our second session for the digital forensic course. And for the topic for session 2 is computer forensic. What is the digital forensic? Okay, we are going to the topics. Here we are. There are some of topics for today. First, what is digital forensic? Second, digital forensic methodology. The third, a brief history of digital forensic. And the next one is the need for digital forensic as technology advance. The next one is the operating system and open source tool. And the next one is multiple forensic tools, commercial forensic tools, and the last one is anti-forensic threats to digital forensic. Okay, so do you know about digital forensic? No? Okay, I will explain about what is the digital forensic, right? Digital forensic is like science, one of science to find of evidence in even criminals. So digital forensic consists of identifying about the case, about the background, about the uh, tools, and about the event. And in digital forensic, there are processing. This processing is about how the people can uh, find or make an evidence, and after they processing the evidence or data, they will analyzing and make reporting on data storage electronically, and the evidence or of the data or information can be preservation and acquiring. So what is usually available or in digital forensic, there are some of story. The first one is about child pornography investigation. Maybe you ever meet about this one. And the next one is the corporate espionage. And the next one is email investigation. The next one is network internet investigation. And about malware and ransomware investigation. And there are identity theft. And the next one is data recovery. So this is digital forensic methodology. In digital forensic methodology, there are three standard or guide. The first one is the ACPO, Good Practice Guide for Digital Evidence, and the second one is the Scientific Working Group on Digital Evidence, or SWGBI. This is the best practice for computer forensic until now. And the last one is the Budapest Convention on Cybercrime, CETS number 118.5. So we are go deep dive to the ACPO Good Practice Guide for Digital Evidence. The ACPO is written in 2012, and now ACPO functioning as the national police for the Police Chief Council, or NPCC. And the ACPO is the best practice when carrying out digital forensic investigation, focusing on the evidence acquisition. And we can found this guide in this link. We can going to the npccpolice.uk. This is from UK. The next one is SWGDA. So the SWGDA is the Scientific Working Group on Digital Evidence, and this is the one of best practice. So produced in September 2014, and mainly the topic covered about evidence collection and acquisition, investigating device that are powered on and off, maybe uh, if the device powered on like laptop, PC, server, and so on. And about the power off are like flash disk, like uh, and CD or magnetic type. So, and the next topics that covered are evidence handling and analysis and reporting. So, this is one of the best practice of evidence acquisition, collection, authentication, and examination. There are two sorts in SWGDA. For the topic covered, like analysis and reporting, evidence handling, we can go to the document, and for the acquisition, collection, until examination, we can go to document, but in the last domain, we can go to the forensic. Okay. For the next one, the last is the Budapest Convention on Cybercrime, CETS number 185, and it's covered about the computer-related fraud, copyright infringement, and child pornography, violations of national security, xenophobic, and racist propaganda publication. And this is International Treaty on Internet, includes Council of Europe, Europa, and United States, Canada, and Japan. So here we go in a brief history of digital forensic. And the next one, we can go to in 100 years ago. We use first record fingerprint, and fingerprint found around 100 years ago. And from fingerprint, it developed about in 1984. There are computer analysis and response team were developed by FBI. For the next one is in 1973, the American Society of Crime Laboratory Directors developed about forensic lab. And in 2000 and 2001 too, around this, the FBI established and developed about the Regional Computer Forensic Laboratory, or RCFL. And in 2002, there are National Program Office, and until now, some of organizations each have a division about digital forensic, like CIA, NSA, GCHQ, their own full cybercrime division. So the next one is about tools for digital forensic, and this is open source. Here we are. The first one is Digital Evidence and Forensic Toolkit, or DEF, and this is running only in Linux system. And we can download and can get it the tools from the two links, okay, for the Linux H and for the Linux Z. For the next one, this is the feature of the DEF. There are analysis, anti-malware, data recovery, hashing, imaging, mobile forensic, network forensic, OSINT, password recovery, reporting tools, disk, file manager, until we can mount manager. and this is open source. For forensic tools, we can see like this. This is the forensic tools menu, and there are cane tools. The cane tools is like the dev. This is for the digital forensic tools too, and this is open source. And we can get the cane from the three links. This is homepage. This is based on Linux distribution, and this is the last version. Okay, the next one. This is Kali Linux. Kali Linux is the one of distribution from the Linux, and if we use this tools, we can get the future like find evidence and recovery the data. And the next one, we are going to the standard for multiple forensic tools in digital investigation. Why we need the standard? Because of the standard has document that range about the list for comply and not comply to investigation. Like this one from the NIST, from the National Institute of Standard and Technology, and the NIST develop like computer forensic tool testing, and we can testing and validation report from this link. And the next one, this is a commercial forensic tool. So commercials mean you have to pay from annual or monthly. So there are some of tools. One is Belfasoft, and we can get from this link. And the second one is the Access Data Forensic Toolkit. And the next one is the OpenText Security. And we move on to the next topic about anti-forensic fit to digital forensic. Why? Because of people wishing to hide the information or data or evidence, and their track who have malicious intent or potentially participate in cybercrime. And if we are use the VPN or the criminal use the VPN, VPN can log for long time. So if we use the virtual private networks, there are too complex to find the evidence. Yes. Oh, okay. Nur Hasana asked me, is it danger if we are using VPN? And my answer is yes. We are have a danger if we are using VPN. So if you want to using VPN, make sure you not open about the mobile banking, your email account, or your password, or you login if you use the VPN. So if you use the VPN, you have to avoid the activity about the activity consists of your privacy data. Is the clear? Okay, thank you. Okay, here the reference, and this reference getting from the digital forensic Kali Linux, and you can get it in online store, or you can download it in the Google. Any question? Okay, if there are no any question, maybe the session two, I think enough. Thank you for your attention. See you in the next session. Bye.